What's going on, guys? Dan the Vet Man here. Hope you're having a great day. Feels great outside. I'm loving the fall weather. It's coming along nice. The leaves are starting to change colors. Looking real nice outside. So let's get straight into this. I had a accident about a month ago. It's October now. It's about, well, almost 2 months now. It was back in August, and it was with the Corvette. So it was rough. Thankfully, I'm okay, and it wasn't too bad. And I will say the great news is the vehicle is being fixed, and it's not totaled. So that is a big relief, and hopefully they'll get it back to me soon, and we can start making some more content. But I just wanted to do this quick video and talk about why I haven't been as active, and that's it. That's pretty much why. Had the accident, and that was a major setback. I would say minor, but it's pretty major. I mean, nobody likes getting in an accident, so it was a big deal. It's my first one. I've never been in an accident, so it was quite a stressful process. But the good thing is, like I said, my car is getting fixed, and I'm excited to have it back and start working on it some more. So thank you guys so much. I just hit a little over 1,000 subscribers, so I'm extremely happy about that, and I thank you guys so much. Please continue to keep up with me, watch the videos, subscribe, like all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. Keeps me moving. It helps me to continue to make these videos for you guys. I don't want to do too much blabbering, but like I said, that's pretty much what happened. It was an accident. You know, things happen, life happens, and unfortunately it happened to me, and I'm gonna bounce back from it. So just waiting for the word to get my car back. At the moment, I currently do have a rental car, which happens to be an EcoBoost Mustang, which is absolutely crazy. It's a convertible. It's a nice car. I think it's a premium. Actually, I'm not sure. It might not be the premium. It doesn't have the subwoofer in it, but it does have the inside lights change colors, and it's convertible. Said that, and it's got the side view mirror, the pony, the lights that shine down on the ground. So it's pretty cool. But you know, it's nothing like having a V8, especially a C7 Corvette. So I do miss my car very much. I hope to get back to it soon. I just wanted to make this quick video. So far, things are going well as far as I know, and everything is looking good, and things are able to be fixed. And yeah, so I'll throw a couple photos so you can see the damage, which looks pretty bad. But needless to say, it is getting fixed. So thank you guys so much. Please keep up with me. Please keep checking these videos out. Pass the word along. I'm going to keep putting this stuff out. Once I get my car back, we'll be back on the road. So, peace.